Hi, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. And today I would like to share with you a recipe that I invented out of desperation. By looking through my pantry, I was looking to see what I can feed my son when he was sick. And I got a few items that I thought they would go together, and they did, and it came out really, really good and so inexpensive. And all it was a cream of chicken soup, the condensed version, and then the great value chunky chicken and dumpling soup, and then the garlic salt. And then I had some noodles in the house. These are the elbow noodles. And so I just wanted to show you how much this soup is going to cost me. The noodles was 25 cents. The cream of chicken was $1.78. The chunky chicken and dumplings was $1.50. And then I bought a French roll. And so this is what I did. I dumped my noodles into a pot of water and a couple of splashes of garlic salt, and then I'm gonna let it boil and cook. Then I'll be right back. And the noodles have cooked, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the cream of chicken and the chunky chicken and dumpling soup, and then I'm going to add 2 of these containers of water. Okay, so I'm just going to pour in a can of water and clean out the residue from the soup that was left in there. And then the other can of water from the other soup. And then I just let it simmer. And once it comes to a boil, it's done. So this is a chicken noodle soup that can be done, or cream of chicken noodle soup that can be done within 5 minutes. And it's a lot of feeding power. You can feed a family of 5 with this, and it came out to $3.53, and I'm including the $1 for the French bread. So that's what I'm gonna feed my family tonight. Okay, I'm back. I plated the soup, and I served it. I'm serving it with French bread, and you can put cracked chili peppers if you like, or black pepper, and there you go. This is a meal that'll feed 5 for $3.53. I hope you try it, and if you do, let me know. What do you think? And do you have any easy recipes that you can share? Bye.